Hey guys, welcome back. Here is the first impression of Apple's Magic Keyboard, and this happens just because of my friend Rock, and his Twitter handle is in the description. Now looking at the design looks very sleek and premium. At the back you are getting the Apple logo, and from the inside you are getting for the first time trackpad support and one of the best typing experience in iPads. And in order to attach your iPad Pro with your Magic Keyboard, you just need to attach your iPad Pro with the Magic Keyboard Smart connector, and it will attach by itself by the help of magnets. And guys, the magnets are pretty strong and it looks pretty sturdy. And now talking about the viewing angles, from the hinge the Magic Keyboard opens up to 80 degrees, and from there you can adjust your Magic Keyboard up to 180 degrees according to yourself, and it opens with a snap and it feels very strong. And guys, one big limitation of this Magic Keyboard is this limited moments, where in Smart Keyboard Folio you can rotate your Smart Keyboard Folio at the back of your iPad and can be used as a tab. And now talking about the keyboard and typing experience in Magic Keyboard, this is one thing where the Magic Keyboards lead so much ahead than the other keyboards. It gives a lot of feel and feedback when you're using. It is very clicky. Travel is longer than the butterfly keyboards, and with all this you are getting a trackpad which is clickable everywhere. Now talking about the Type-C port at the hinge of Magic Keyboard, for now it can be used for charging, but maybe in later updates it will help in connecting other accessories. But still you are getting an extra Type-C port in the iPad Pro itself for accessories. And now talking about the pricing, for the 11-inch model you are getting the iPad Magic Keyboard for $299 US, and for the 12.9-inch model you are getting it for $350 US. And guys, if you are a person who wants to use Magic Keyboard for typing, this is one of the best right now in the market, which gives you one of the best feel and feedback. But for a normal user this is pretty much expensive, but still it is cheaper than the Mac Pro Wheels kit. That's it for now guys. If you like the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you tomorrow.